You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this fascinating phrase. This is probably one of the kind of most confusing. It shouldn't be really. I mean, it looks simple, but let's go through. The British English pronunciation here is as iron, ore. Iron ore. American English pronunciation, however, is more commonly as iron ore. Iron ore. Essentially, the Americans put the R after the O when they pronounce it. Iron. Iron ore, American English, or iron ore, British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.